A few days ago we arrived here in Austria at this place, a Gomde. Oh, it's biting my nerves.
Hello, where are you going today?
Now I'm ready. All ready to film.
And I'm not.
Ah, baby, come on. Rough morning. Beautiful weather in Copenhagen. Beautiful weather here in Copenhagen. At least beautiful to leave it. It's been a while since you have had your snail house on you.
That's true.
Huh? Feels better this time, huh? One bench. We just arrived. We just arrived. In the middle of nowhere. A few days ago we arrived here in Austria at this place, a Gomde, to celebrate a new year and have a great beginning to 2023 with some great and incredible food, some good people and workaways like us that is here to help this place, but also to follow their daily routine of meditation, which is quite a new experience for me. Yeah, this is what we're doing now in January, the 5th or 6th. I don't know what it is today because we're just kind of living totally day by day out here. But it feels amazing to have this start to the year because of, like, it feels like a bit of a cleansing in some way after Christmas beer and Christmas food. A good cleanse, I would say, for mind and body. The sun came out in the mountains of Austria. And it feels amazing. It almost feels like 15 degrees. But it's more like 7. It's a beautiful day to go for a swim. Yeah! She's actually swimming.
Danish guy, it's okay for him. Just right before Jesus.
Oh, my hands are sick. Beautiful. Ah, everything is numb. You got it.
Oh, it hurts the entire body.
Yeah, it does.
Yes.
Oh, it's so amazing.
So cold.
It really feels like summer. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold. Cold coffee, not a problem, but not the best, obviously. Chill day today. Yeah, we have time to just explore, get outside, walk around. We're gonna go to a town not too far from here, it's like 20 minutes away in a bus. But before we do, I just would like to show you around the best way I can, because this place is humongous. But of course it has to be because a lot of people is involved, but also they do a lot of seminars and courses and different things. So space is needed to host people for events and occasional things happening. So, but let me show you around if I can. So just take care, lean back and enjoy the tour, okay? Let's go. and there's a ton of space, hallways and rooms that I haven't shown in this video. So just to get a small view into how big this place is. Let's move on with the day and get out and have some free time, some coffee, some good atmosphere. Let's go. What's up, guys? Great to be outside of Gomde.
It is great. Love Gomde.
Yeah, of course we love Gomde. Our view today. It's pretty chill. Little chill view. Egg soup.
I wasn't expecting.
What?
It's a nice surprise.
You were not expecting me?
No.
I understand. It's 6:30 in the morning. The woman is preparing breakfast for the whole building. It's way too early for me. I'm not an early bird in general. So 6:30 is early, but I'm here to help. Boom, 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 boom. Breakfast is done. Breakfast is served. So as part of our agreement or the deal that we have at this place to stay here is that we help out. It's like an exchange. So so we have a free bed to sleep in and lovely, amazing food also to eat. So as part of that, we are doing different tasks to help out. Take care of this place. It could be cleaning, it could be cooking, it could be stuff like that. Or in this case, right now for me at least, it is building a IKEA closet or drawer or something like that. So I'm trying to find my way through this instruction. This is way too difficult, or at least way more difficult than I expected it to be, so wait a minute. What if that was easy. What the fuck? Hello. How are we doing in here in our little basement room? My bed and your bed. So yeah, just getting ready to move from this little cozy spot in the basement to our new, I would say apartment, but it's not an apartment, it's still just a room, but it's kind of an upgrade. Yeah, let's get up there. I'll show you guys how it looks. Whew. Arrived in the room.
The Buddha sunlight.
Yeah, exactly. Are you excited to lay here and read books with me? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. She's too excited for this little bed here we're gonna share. It's gonna be so tight and warm. And she's so happy. Hi, you guys.
Wow, I didn't know that you have something like that.
Yeah, I have it all. I have it all.
You have it all. Yeah,
Yes,
wonderful.
Say a few words.
Thank you. We have now lunch, and our chief cook Tommy made a wonderful Wiener Schnitzel,
Oi.
typical Austrian dish.
Wow, the main chef here.
But also typical Indian pakora.
Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And a little bit lasagna.
Oh man, I promise you guys, this guy can cook. He's like the main person keeping this place alive. Right there.
Oh, no.
The Mary.
And you put some.
Yeah. I take some here, right, on the schnitzel.
Yeah.
And then
You put some lemon. Some lemon, huh?
I have lemon. I have lemon already. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, can I get back to my food now?
Yeah, sure.
On vacation.
You are the right person to judge.
Brazilian.
Yeah, let's have it.
I hope so.
And honest and real. Top level?
It's really good.
Beautiful evening. Oh my god. Once again, total discomfort for sure. Last time I was in 1 minute and 50 seconds. I want to beat that time, but I'm not sure if I feel ready for it. In this cold mofo water. It looks cozy and comfy, but this water is like 1 degree. No record breaking today. I'm done. No, it's too cold today. I can't do it. Oh, it's biting my nerves. That was like 15 seconds. I was so far from beating a record. Oh, I knew it. I could feel it. I was not ready.
You can run, but you cannot hide.
I got finally a shot with him. I did it! Mission complete! I'm ready to go. That was the last thing I needed. I wanted to show people from Gomde. They hide all the time every time the camera comes out. So, what's your name? You know, I'm trying to tell a story here about Gomde, but nobody wanna let me in.
Really?
Yeah, not when there's a camera.
We talk so much about Congo.
We talk so much.
This always comes more. I think it's really a place of spontaneity.
It definitely
I think
is.
so.
I just want to thank you, everybody here, for this experience. As I said before, we didn't know what we were getting into. We didn't know anything about Gomde before we came here. So I'm just very, very, very thankful and grateful for the experience and the people that we have met here. And you.
Shukinima Rinpoche used to say, this is the place for all beings. It's not bound to the people who come here, the people who live here. It's not just it's of course a Buddhist place, but he always used to say it's may benefit all sentient beings. So
and for sure, I know Fernand and I, we've talked a lot about this, the time we've been here, that we feel that. Like we feel, you know, that welcoming, that energy. Like you feel when you're stepping in.
Here, our dear Lama Terry.
Yes.
Now you got him. He's very good in hiding, but we found him.
Yes. Thank you so much. Come to Austria and everybody. It was a beautiful experience. I'm not ready to go home, but I feel like we have to.
Bye.
Home is where you are. Ah la 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 la.
But what if?
Gotcha.
But what if we're gonna be here?
Huh?
What if we're gonna be here? Then when I leave, I'm not home.
Then it's still your decision. Yeah?
All the best. Good luck with your house.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for bringing us here.
Please come back.
She was the one that picked us up when we arrived. Totally lost. out in the middle of nowhere, had no idea what was gonna happen.
Was it raining? Also?
A little bit. It was a cozy night, it was not too bad.
It's very nice to
Thank
meet
you for bringing us here.
Thank you for coming.
No!
Pleasure to meet you.
It's so lovely to meet you guys.
Such good chats as well.
Yeah.
Too many good tips.
Yes.
Oh, you
Many good
can't.
tips.
You can't.
Tá volta, querida. Obrigada, amor. Obrigada por tudo. Tenha um bom tempo. Né? E pra você também. E daí a gente reza que a gente consiga fazer essa universidade. Sim. Isso é legal. Muito legal.
Yeah, every single person that is part of this place and this energy and this vibe, I'm gonna take with me deep within and talk very gentle and warm about. And I definitely will encourage everybody that has an interest, not only in meditation or Buddhism, but also just in warm and kind people and getting a new experience in life and try something completely different. Go to this place and experience it yourself, because it is definitely it's a journey. It's a journey, and it's a beautiful journey and a fun one, and a difficult one also. But it's all good. It's all good, man. Cheers. It is now 1 in the night, and we've been in the airport for 3 hours, and we still have 5 hours to go before flight 6 in the morning. So we are trying to nap a little bit on the floor here. It's pretty good. Just want to thank you, Gomde, for taking such great care of us. It was an amazing experience to come and visit you guys. It feels like we have a family in Austria now that we would like to come back and visit very soon again. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you're great and stay great. And I'll see you in the next one. Good night.